Okay, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I'm going to take a quick look at a case for the Pixel 4 XL. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, so you can get this case from Amazon. It's the generic fabric case. It's a two-tone case, got the gray fabric and the white leather in the bottom. A couple of pictures there. But this case is $8.99, so under 10 bucks. We're going to check this out. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, let's go ahead and take this out of the wrapper. Pretty simple wrapper right here. It's the made for the Pixel 4 XL, black and gray cover. All right, pretty light, feels pretty light. Let's go ahead and peel this wrapper off. Okay, let's pull this out. It's got a little foam inside right there. Nothing else inside. Let's pull this out. All right, so smooth inside. In this case, it's very light, thin sides, but it's TPU. It's got the fabric on the back. It feels pretty good. And you got the leather piece down at the bottom right there. They call it leather. I'm sure it's like a PU leather or something like that. But it feels pretty good though. It's kind of soft. You got your opening for your charging port, your speakers right there. And you got your power button and your volume down rocker. Those have an opening so you could see between those. Yeah, I think you see between those. And this is where the camera bump is. Not too thick, but it is raised up. So it's going to protect the cameras finished around there. And this is that fabric back right there. As you can see, this is the leather piece on the bottom, but nothing else. Oh, you got your mic opening right there. Nothing else on the side, no branding. Pretty clean case. Very light though, and it should be pretty slim on the device. All right. But let's go ahead and put this inside, put the phone inside and see how it looks. Okay, so I got the Pixel 4 right here. We're gonna go ahead and put this inside, see how it looks. Put the bottom in first. So it looks like it's gonna get a tight fit, so a nice tight fit, and it's not bulky. It's very slim, and it fits really well. Fits really well. As you can see, the camera's covered. You can't, the camera's protected right there, so that's pretty cool. You can see a little bit of the white background inside there, so that's a nice little touch right there. You can see that right there. And then you got the two-tone back right there. Okay, so as I look at the fabric on this, as you can see, it almost looks like this is sewn in together, which is a nice little detail there. I know it's not, but it does look pretty good. And this might be a good alternative to the fabric case that Google sells for $40. All right, this is only $9. So if you want that fabric case with a nice little two-tone style there, I would check this out because you might like it. All right, I'll definitely be getting the red and black one as well. And this is the power button right there, volume down rocker. All that works pretty good. And everything lines up good on the bottom right there. You see your charging port and your speakers. That should be sufficient to fit aftermarket plugs in there. And you got your mic holders lined up real nice right there, all right? And you also got a lanyard opening right here on this side. Almost missed that. But the TPU sides are matted, but they're still pretty grippy. They're not slippery. This is going to be a nice case, a nice slim case for you with a nice style. So let's look at the front. So the front is pretty thin. You're not going to be able to slam this down or throw it across the room, but it does come up a little bit. So you can set it down on the surface. It'll come up, but not too high. So this is what I like. And it feels good in the hand. Lots of grip, not slippery. And it looks nice, and lightweight. I like it. So if you're looking for a thin case, it's stylish. It's got a nice little two-tone color on the back right there. This might be a good one for you. I'm gonna check out wireless charge right now. All right, so we can check out wireless charge. Okay, so that's wireless charge right there. So it picked it up, no problem. Okay, so this is the gray and white leather case made by Generic for the Pixel 4 XL. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.